Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with Remax Executives, and I am so excited to be in Brunkild, Manitoba right now. We're 18 minutes from the perimeter, so we're a hop, skip, and a jump away, and we've got an amazing property behind me here. We've got a 30 by 40 shop, beautifully done, fully insulated, ready to go. We've got in-floor heat in it, but let's talk about the house right behind me here. We've got an awesome little single one-bedroom house. All the updates are already done for you. It's a move-in ready. Great little place. This is perfect for maybe a first-time buyer or maybe a retiree. If you're looking to start a business, we've got fiber optic in town. We've got municipal water. We've got municipal low-pressure sewer. And we're on a nice big double lot. So many great things going on here. You're going to absolutely love it. I'm in love with it. Let's go check it out. Well, if you know me, you know I absolutely love garages. And this isn't just a garage, this is a shop, and it's only a few years old. We've got a 30 by 40 garage. We've got two overhead doors at the front. We've got a toy door at the back. We've got in-floor heat already run and ready to go. We've got a pit in the middle. We've got it finished inside, fully insulated. In-floor heat's already run. All you're gonna have to do is get your electrical hookup and get a boiler and you're game on. Well, I guess that's going to conclude our tour here in Brunkild. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Anyways, I guess that'll conclude our tour here at 19, and I don't know. What's it been, 3 months since I did one of these?
Yeah, I think so. See the shirt.
It's just a shirt.
Let's see the shirt.
Oh yeah. Well, it's Father's Day and the boys gave it to me. I had a back massage with their toy cars.